Hey guys! In today's video, we're showing you how to change user ID on ADP online account. We will also put our referral link in the description below for you to sign up. To start, open the website my.adp.com, then enter your user ID on the field provided. Once the user ID is entered, click on Next. Next, enter your account password on the second field. Then click on Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see a section for recommended actions at the lower right side of the screen. Click on Settings. On this page, scroll down a little. Then you will see a section for security. Under it is an option that says Change User ID. Click on Change User ID. A pop-up tab will then appear. On the first field, enter your password. Then, on the second field, enter the new user ID you wish to use. After entering all the necessary information, click on Next. Lastly, review the new user ID you wish to use. To confirm, click on Change User ID. That's how you change user ID on your ADP online account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.